Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you another technical video where you can create a temporary email address using this platform. So let's go and see how it works. Just write your internet browser temp email. I'll provide the link in description for your reference, and this is the first link which comes here. Just click here. So this is the home page of temporary email. As it speaks, many a times we don't have to give our specific email address, because then it will be loaded with so many spam emails. So just to avoid and keep our inbox as simple and as clean as possible, we can use this temporary email ID, and this is valid for 10 minutes. So many a times whenever we have a specification, we have to give an email ID. We can give this, and we can just avoid our inbox, and we can just avoid the advertisements and spam emails by giving this email ID. Remember, this is valid only for 10 minutes. So the main advantage that you can use this website without creating any sign up or subscribe. You can just directly provide this email ID and you can use it for your purpose. It is valid for 10 minutes. You can also change and delete at the same time. The good thing, it also provides the premium subscription at this cost, in which you can create your own domain specific email addresses for your use. So in this way it is very helpful, this temporary email address. I just generally like it whenever I want to see some of the contents of any of the website, and just not to sign up, just to have a glimpse of it. So this is very useful and handy, and it also provides the QR code scanning, which is also an amazing feature. I really like this website, and I do encourage you to try it once if you are in need of a temporary email address where you just don't want to keep your inboxes busy with spam emails. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.